Okay, folks, I have my Astra 600/43 in 9mm Luger, or 9x19, and I'm shooting this BPS ammo from Royal Tiger Imports. I've done quite a bit of work on this gun, and the grips were one thing that needed to be taken care of. This grip broke first, and it broke right in here, and then the lanyard ring just kind of fell out. So this particular grip is a reproduction, and honestly, it's a really good reproduction. This grip is new old stock, and it was made in Spain for the Astra, and honestly, the reproduction is very good. I really can't tell a difference. I'm sure there is a difference, but I can't see it. So there's that. So I stopped shooting it, and I'll bring it out today and play with it. And I'm recording with my phone, so the sound might suck a little bit. So I'm shooting at 7 yards, and see how we do. So it's an 8-round magazine. I only have one mag. As you know, it's got the grip safety on it, and that's nice. I'm going to try and shoot a little more accurately today. Huh. There's 8 rounds. Here's my little magazine loader down here. Looks like it's cycling pretty good now. There's 8. Magazine releases down here on the bottom. Okay, got a misfire. I had a problem before. Let me pull the mag. It didn't get loaded, did not strike the primer. What? I'm trying to tighten my groups up a little bit. Let me rotate the. I can't. Okay. We'll load another mag. I'm out here a little late today.
Yeah, they're very similar, aren't they?
Using my GoPro on the rifle. Either my microphone shut off because I know it was on, or I accidentally shut it off. So a good bit of my content had no sound. I'll have to do some fancy editing with that. Okay. It's a weird looking little gun, isn't it? I have one of these in 9mm Largo as well. It's a little different than this one. Man, I need to practice. Well, other than that one misfire, malfunction, so good. My T-Sauce 45 has been at my gunsmith for a while now, getting my sights worked on. They ran out of adjustment. I had the new sights put on it, and it didn't have enough adjustment. So he's reworking that. I don't know when those will get done. Okay, line my arm up. Push with one hand, push the other. Looks like I got some low and left going on, well, quite a bit. And then I got some to the left. So that's okay. Let me do some more here. Like I said, those reproduction grips look really nice. I was reluctant to buy them because I like to keep them with all original parts. Plastic on that gun, this gun, was old and was brittle. So, and the reproductions are really well, all right. Yeah, I'm shooting the hole to the right, left. So most of my shots are center left. And then I had the low and left thing going on. That's my grip. But these sights are not adjustable. They're fixed sights. So you get what you get. Now I've lost my flag. We do have a ceasefire coming up. So there's the low and left thing going on. But now you can see if I'm shooting the hole, the majority of mine are going right there now. One farther away? And that tells me right here, then? Yeah. I can compensate by point aiming over here a little bit and see what happens. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Alright. I got 10 more bullets left. I'm not going to open up another box. So I'm going to try cutting by to the right a little bit. I got 2 more.
25.
What?
25. I've only found, this is number 6. I'm gonna see if I can't find a whole bunch of them.
Just because they're cool. Don't put the magazine in, of course, until you get up there. Obviously, just making sure. People are pretty stupid.
Looks like I hit low and
You shoot the right one, I'll shoot the left.
center.
Yep. You got it.
I'm trying, folks.
Hey, Mom.
But that's
Hey,
all
Mom.
right.
Huh?
I'll zoom in here.
Mom, you got me 45.
So it looks like my last ones, it won't let me focus, are low and center. So there you go. So that's my Astra 600/43. It's working pretty good. These are fun little guns to shoot. Parts aren't hard to find. Taking them apart and cleaning them once you figure it out isn't that difficult. Extra magazines aren't cheap. It's not a light gun. It's solid steel. And I don't care to carry a heavy gun like that, but then again, these are just for range play and part of my military surplus collection. All right, folks. See you in the next video.